Daytime running lights, or DRL, are automatic lights that turn on during the day to make vehicles more visible and help prevent accidents. They're standard in many countries and on over 90% of new cars worldwide. While DRL improves safety by making your vehicle more conspicuous, they reduce daytime fatalities by 7%, according to a 2024 NHTSA study. Some drivers want to disable them for reasons like reduced battery life in older vehicles, extending bulb life, or aesthetic preferences. However, disabling DRL can be illegal depending on your location and may affect other vehicle systems. Remember to always check your local laws before disabling DRL. Disabling DRL varies by vehicle. Older models from before 2010 may allow simple fuse removal, while newer vehicles often require OBD2 scanners or custom wiring. For fuse removal in older models, first locate the DRL fuse by consulting your owner's manual. Then, use a multimeter to confirm the correct circuit and finally disconnect the fuse. For software-controlled DRL, common in newer BMW, Audi, and Tesla models, you might need diagnostic tools like VCDS or the Torque app to reprogram the body control module, or BCM. Be aware that modifying the BCM can affect other functions, such as turn signals or automatic headlights. Always prioritize safety and legality. Remember that unauthorized modifications can void your warranty, and recent instances include a user disabling via third-party app, resulting in a software rollback and safety recall. Finally, consider the potential legal ramifications, such as the €500 fine issued in Germany for DRL disable.